Hey, it's time to do some wrenching. Okay, to clean the mass airflow sensor, you have to take this air intake off. You can use a screwdriver, or I'm going to use an 8mm socket to get this clamp off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the all the electrical connectors with this stuff. And so by the time I put it back together, it should be nice and dry. So clean them off. Take this off. This one, spray it down. Can't hurt, so I might as well spray it. Clean. Spray that too. Okay. Like this. This one's pretty simple. I mean, I don't know. Some of them might be a little harder, but pretty simple on this one. So we'll take this to the bench. Okay, right here's the mass airflow sensor, and I'm gonna take this off to get it out of there. I could spray it, you know, the way it is, but I'd rather take it out and I won't have a bunch of crud in there. I gotta get this clip off. Okay. What you do is you just push on this with a screwdriver and pull it off. And then this, and you can get this off because it's inside there. See it? You take a screwdriver gently. Yeah, it comes right off. Just try not to break it. It's plastic, so there, come right off. Okay. To the side. Okay, now you take this stuff. That's airflow cleaner. And you can see that round, let's see if you can see it on camera, that round part in there. That's where you want to spray into, inside there. Let me get a little rag here. See, it's dripping all over, so I got a rag here. So I didn't want to do it inside the air intake. You spray that up pretty good, and that's all you got to do, and that cleans it up. And make sure it dries before you put it back together. So we'll let it sit for a couple minutes. Okay, while that's drying, we can clean the throttle body with this stuff. Throttle body air intake cleaner. And just spray this stuff in there. Get that butterfly throttle there. And you can take a rag. This one's pretty clean because I stay on top of it, but I'm a little OCD about stuff like this, so yeah, you get this nice and clean, get the carbon out of here, and you'll see your vehicle will idle much better, respond better with the throttle. I don't know if you could, how good you can see that, but it's pretty clean. And that's all you have to do with that. You know, if it's really dirty, just spray it more, do it a couple times, and should clean it out pretty good. That should be dry. We'll put this in. Should just, this has got to line up. It's got to line up with this down here, right here. There should go. Should just snap in. There. Okay, that's in. And then put this on. Again, I'd gotta use a screwdriver, push it on there. There's really not no room to put your fingers in there. But you got it if you get it lined up, then just push on it. And you should hear a little click. Yep, see it's on. Let me just make sure. Double check it. Yep. And put that back on. Okay. Okay, now we'll just put this back on. You're wondering, this is where the air filter is. I'm going to be changing this probably in about another month or two. It's been in there for a couple of years. Almost a couple of years. So if you have to do that, you could do that at the same time. I'll put this on. It just clamps on here. This hose is breather for your engine crankcase, and this is your mass airflow sensor plug. Well, it should be dry too by now. And this one's for the air temperature charger. I believe it on this vehicle it tells the computer what the temperature is going inside the engine. And tighten this back up. And that's it. You can use a screwdriver too, but it's a lot easier I think with this. And yeah, that's it. And so you got a clean mass airflow sensor and a clean throttle body. And you know, if you got troubles with idling, skipping or something, that should help it out. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.